With over 100 years of experience, technical and engineering know-how, Rocla, a subsidiary of Infrastructure Specialist Group, is a leading manufacturer of precast concrete products for infrastructure with manufacturing plants in South Africa, Namibia and Botswana. Rocla has the ability to supply products beyond its borders, reaching as far as the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC. Rocla produces quality concrete pipes, culverts, manholes, poles, sanitation systems, road barriers, wing walls, rainwater harvesting systems, equipment and bus shelters, concrete cabins and special products. Rocla products are used for sewer, stormwater, jacking and tunneling applications, security, telecoms, electricity, underground rainwater harvesting and other applications. Our manufacturing plants have been custom-built and equipped with machinery operated by well-trained, qualified technicians and specialists. The expertise we have from our unique in-house technical team of engineers, technologists and draftsmen enable us to design and manufacture bespoke products to customer specifications. Technical guidance and assistance are readily available from our head office and branches. Our highly competent national sales team is available and committed to building customer relationships and providing assistance wherever required. Availability of stock is something that we pride ourselves in. We go the extra mile to meet tight customer deadlines. All our factories have laboratories on site testing raw materials and finished products. Rocla is ISO 9001:2015 certified and has the applicable SANS mark on its products. The company is fully committed to the principle of total quality management. It has a sophisticated quality management system that is continually monitored and upgraded to ensure its effectiveness. Rocla is a fervent member of the Concrete Manufacturers Association of South Africa, an association representative of the precast concrete industry established to promote the use of precast concrete products and the quality of manufacture and appropriate technical application of concrete products. Easy access to our markets is of critical importance to us. The company's head office is situated in Rudeboort, Johannesburg, and has an extended network of factories in Rudeboort, Gauteng, Virginia Free State, Polokwane, Limpopo, Nelspruit, Mpumalanga, Port Elizabeth, Eastern Cape, Cape Town, Western Cape, Newcastle, KwaZulu-Natal, Gaborone, Botswana, Windhoek, Namibia. We are extremely proud to be a Southern African company. This fuels our devotion to sustainable development of our region and its people. By ensuring that our infrastructure and high-quality products make a meaningful contribution to the lives of the people in Southern Africa, we continue playing our part in creating a better future.